Page number 146. Some
Afternoon, sir.
question and discuss. Good afternoon, everyone.
Good afternoon, sir.
All of you open? Good afternoon. All of you happy?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, very good. Everyone open page number 146.
Yes, sir. We have opened.
Open. Yes. First, fill in the blanks, everyone. Solve.
Sir, I have solved it.
Yes, sir. I have.
Okay. So I will ask. So everyone give answer. Those who are participating. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. First, a value is assigned to a variable by using blank
Assignment
space
operator.
operator.
Assignment.
Answer is assignment operator. Very good answer. Second, in blank space mode, the instruction is executed immediately and the output appears in the cell window. Answer is answer right in chat box. Okay. Answer is interactive. Okay.
Okay,
First
sir.
answer assignment. Second answer is interactive. Any confusion?
No,
No,
sir.
sir.
No, sir.
Third,
No, sir.
blank space data type used in Python are int, float, string, and bool. What is answer? Answer is basic. Yes, very good. Answer is basic. Any confusion?
No, sir.
No, sir.
All of you understood?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Next question. Python is a widely used general purpose and blank space programming language.
High level
High
programming
level.
language.
Answer is high level
High level programming.
language. Yes, high level. What is answer?
High level.
Very
Good morning,
good.
sir.
Good afternoon, Ansu.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon. Okay. Next, the file extension for Python program is blank
Point py.
space. Answer is
Point py.
Point.
dot
Point py.
py. Dot py. Okay.
Yes.
Any confusion?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
That means all of you solved objective question. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes,
Good. All
sir.
are very smart boy. Okay, good. Next, blank space is used to separate values in print function and the values will appear on in. Answer is as in
Yes, sir. That.
Yes, sir.
slash in.
Yes, sir. Slash n.
Okay. Okay, I think all of you completed true false.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Sir, video is paused.
Yes, sir.
Sir, your voice is not coming and your video is paused.
Yes, sir.
Hello, sir. Sir, your video is
Sir,
paused. Yes, बोलो
sir,
sir.
voice not coming and video is paused. You complete your objective.
Yes, bro.
I also complete.
Oh, sir, video is paused.
Sir,
Yes, sir. Resend करो.
What?
Nothing.
Oh.